going to take Olympiad for standard 4 math subject. So in the last lecture we are going through the unitary methods, and what is the concept, I will just shortly explain to you what is mean by unitary methods first, and then we'll move ahead. So in the unitary methods, in the last lecture we saw that we know something about single, that is unit. Either it is the number of item in one box or one uh, thing, and we have to calculate for many. For example, if we know the cost of one pen and we have to find the cost of 7 such a pen. So this is a single and 7 pen are the many. So from single we go to the many, and also we'll do vice versa here. From many we'll move to single. For example, in 9 boxes there are total 63 balls. Okay, so in the 9 boxes there are 63 balls. So how many balls are there in one box? So here in this chapter, to find many things from single thing, or from uh, single thing we find many things, we have to do two main operations here, either multiplication or we'll do here division. So when we find something that is many from single, we'll do multiplication, and when we find something from many to single, we'll do division. So if you know the table very well, you will do this very fluently. So in the chapter, in the last lecture, we already solved some examples. We already gone through the solved examples also for better understanding of the concept. Now we'll move ahead to our next question, that is 6th number question, and which is, if a factory produces 276 bicycles in 6 days, so how many such a bicycles will be produced in 9 days? See, here something which is many is given, that is in 6 days one of the factory is producing 276 bicycles. So first step is, from this many we have to go to find the single thing, that is in single one day how many bicycles are going to produce by that factory, and from this we'll go to find in 9 days how many it will produce. So first we'll do division. So 276 is divided by 6. So we'll get the answer 6 4s are 24. 3 will be the remainder. 6 will come down. It becomes 36. 6 6s are 36. So in one day that factory produces 46 bicycles. Now we have to find the solution for 9 days. So we'll do here multiplication, because we know the single thing, and as I told you that when we know something single and we have to find many, we'll do multiplication. If we know something which is many and we have to find the single, we'll do division. Okay, so multiply here 46 by 9. So 9 6 are 54. 4 will be there on the base and 5 will come to the carry forward, and 9 4s are 36 plus 5 39. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5, that is 41. So our answer is 414. So in 9 days that factory produces 414 bicycles. Okay, so here we do two operations. First we'll do division, because we know something which is many and we have to find the single one. So first we had done division, and secondly we had done multiplication, because from this single they had asked you about the many. So we had done multiplication. Okay. Now the next question is, a pile of 8 identical encyclopedias weigh 72 kg. How much would the full set of 50 encyclopedia weigh? Okay. Now see, 8 identical encyclopedias weight is given to us, that is 72 kg, and we have to find 50 such a encyclopedias weight. So first we will find one encyclopedia's pile ka weight. So we have to do here division. So 72 divided by 8, 8 9s are 72. So a pile weighs 9 kg. Now we have 50 such a encyclopedia set, that is a pile. Okay, so we'll do multiplication. 50 multiplied by 9. So our answer is 450. So 450 kg is the weight of full set of 50 encyclopedia. Okay, I hope you understood. Here again we had given something which is many. First we find the solution for single, and from that single we again jump to many. This can be solved in another way. See, 8 identical pile weight 72 kg. So 50 such a piles weight how much kg? So you have to do cross multiplication. This question mark is assumed as A. So A is our answer. A is equal to 50 multiplied by 72 divided by 8. Again 8 9s are 72 and 9 5s are 45. So our answer is 450 kg. The next question is, if a weight of 4 pens and 4 eraser is 112 grams, then what is the weight of 5 such a pen and 5 such a eraser? Now again here, don't get confused. Last time also we had seen this kind of example in the solve example. It is the weight of together of 8 things. Okay, that is 112 gram. So here we have to again find the weight of one pen and one eraser from the weight of 4 pens and 4 erasers. So 4 pens and 4 eraser weighs 112 grams. So 1 pen and 1 eraser weighs 112 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. 3 will be the remainder. 2 will come down. 4 8s are 32. So our answer is 28 gram for one pen and one eraser. Now you have to find for 5 pen and 5 erasers. So what you will going to do here, 28 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40. 0 will be there in the base and 4 will be carry forwarded. 5 2s are 10 plus 4. So it is 140 gram. Okay, understood? Now the next one is, Harry can run 5 kilometers in 35 minutes. If he runs at the same speed, how long it will take to go for the 9 kilometers? So 5 kilometers in 35 minutes. We'll do here the cross multiplication, another method of solution. And for 9 kilometers, how many minutes? Assume this minute as A. So A is equal to 9 multiplied by 35 divided by 5. So 5 sevens are 35 and 9 sevens are 63. So in a 63 minute he will run 9 kilometers. This is one method. So 63 minute is converted into hour and minute. So in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour and 3 minutes he will take to cover 9 kilometers. The another method is 5 kilometer in 35 minutes. So 1 kilometer in how many minutes? So divide 35 by 5. 5 sevens are 35. 7 minutes he will take to run 1 kilometer. So to run 9 kilometer, how many minutes he will take? So 9 multiplied by 7, that is 63 minutes. 63 minutes is converted into 60 minutes plus 3 minutes, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So it is 1 hour and 3 minutes to cover 9 kilometers. Okay. Now our last question of this chapter is 400 ml bottle of liquid detergent costs 220 rupees, but 500 ml bottle costs 270 rupees. Is there any mandatory advantage gain in buying the 500 ml bottle? Same question we had seen in the salt example. We have to find per 100 ml cost, and then we'll decide whether the person who is buying this liquid, he will be benefited for buying 500 ml bottle or not. So for 400 ml the cost will be 220 rupees. For 100 ml how much he has to pay? So 220 divided by 4, 4 5s are 20, again 4 5s are 20. So 55 rupees he need to buy 100 ml if we buy 400 ml bottle. Okay. Now for 500 ml how much he is going to pay? 270 rupees. For this bottle for 100 ml how much we have to pay? So 270 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be the remainder. 0 will come down and 5 4s are 20. So if we buy 500 ml bottle, per 100 ml the cost is only 54 rupees. So for 500 ml we'll save 1 rupees for each 100 ml. That is, for 500 ml we save 5 rupees. So it is beneficiary to the buyer, the person who is taking or who is buying that bottle. Instead of buying 400 ml bottle, if I buy 500 ml bottle, my 5 rupees are going to save. So the answer is yes. There is mandatory advantage gain in the buying 500 ml bottle. Okay, understood? What you have done here? We know the 400 ml bottle ka cost. We find 100 for 100 ml how much we have to pay, or we can find for 1 ml how much we have to pay. And after that for 500 ml bottle also, for 100 ml how much we have to pay we had calculated, or we can calculate for 1 ml. And after that if 500 ml bottle we buy, it will be cheaper rather than 400 ml bottle, then it is beneficiary to the buyer. So our answer is yes. I hope you understand this unitary method chapter. So for such a Olympiad examples, go through our remaining videos also. Thank you.